Are you ready to see what is inside Eureka Crystal Beads' latest collection? New for May 2026, it's the Love Spell Bead Collection Lite. I truly love these bead collections. Before I take all the beads out, I just want to show you how neatly they package it all together. The items included are a beautiful inspiration image and a package with all the beads and findings, some words of inspiration, and a complete list of all the items that come in the collection. Here's a quick overview of what you're going to get. All your products come individually packaged. Here's everything laid out on the bead mat. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. As you may know, I'm an official partner with Eureka Crystal Beads, and you can find my affiliate link to this collection in the video description. Why don't we go ahead and look at all the items and see what we have. The first item was a mix of seed beads. They're all by Miyuki. You get bugle beads, two sizes, the 11 and 15s of a bronze, two colors of a size 8 seed bead, and some size 11s in this really dark, almost oxblood color. I wouldn't say black, but super dark. All of those were part of the Love Spell mix from Miyuki. And then over here are 5 grams of matte black Delica beads, also by Miyuki. Next, we'll look at all the fire polish beads. You get 3 strands of fire polish beads. These are a 2mm saturated metallic Ceylon yellow. And these are 3mm luster metallic amethyst. Both are a strand of 50 and a strand of 25 6mm fire polish and garnet. And we have a tube of beads right here we're going to look at. These are the 2-hole nib bit beads. I love the check glass. When I shine the light from underneath, you can see the Siam Ruby Vega is a little translucent and has almost a gem-like quality about it. Such a beautiful 2-hole bead. Let me guess, you can't take your eyes off these beautiful crystals here in the center. There are 4 of these 8mm crystal chatones. This is a black diamond, extra sparkly. These and the other crystal fancy stones are by Krakovski, and you can exclusively find them at Eureka Crystal Beads. This deep rich red is the Siam color. Right here we have a beautiful 27 by 18mm octagon crystal fancy stone. And these 2 smaller octagons are 13 by 18s. And of course 2 rivolis here on the end. They're in a 14mm. Happy early birthday to anybody in July that has a ruby birthstone. The red doesn't end. We have 2 more beautiful beads to look at. These are Preciosa 3mm bicones in vivid Siam. You get a package of 48. And these Chinese crystal rondelles are 4 by 3.2mm in this opaque wine red. And there's about 50 of these. And now we need to talk findings. Right here we have a 20mm ring as a 12-gauged closed decorative twisted rope in this beautiful antique brass color. And some gleam craft findings. A pair of ear wires, a lobster claw, and jump rings. Last but not least is this terra cast button. The hole on the back is large enough that you can put almost anything through it. And finished with a cherry red enamel. Eureka Crystal Beads Love Spell Collection for May 2026.